Hello, Future Millionaire. Well, this is my first video while driving, so I have no choice but to put into portrait mode. Yeah, I know a lot of people don't like that, but well, we'll switch it up a little bit. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, you probably can tell by the head something has happened. I'm not going to tell you what it is and what I have done and any of those things. That's a surprise for tomorrow's video, okay? Because I won't be able to get the car right away. It takes a bit of time. You know, even you buy something off the floor, it still takes a few days to prepare the car and things like that. So I'm not going to say anything more than that. Just look at this, okay? Take a wild guess what has happened. Now, back to Bitcoin Cash. Yeah. If you're new to Bitcoin Cash, you watch my videos and you wonder, why is this guy promoting Bitcoin Cash? There's thousands of other cryptos out there, and everyone loves BTC, everyone loves Ethereum. So why this guy put all his money in crypto into Bitcoin Cash? Now, let me tell you why. Because I have a proven track record. I have my own method of research. Before I put even single dollar into Bitcoin Cash back in 2017-2018 period, I did 3 years in-depth research into the entire ecosystem of cryptos. And let me tell you this, by far, Bitcoin Cash is the most promising crypto infrastructure out there. Bet on. I could sit here talk about Bitcoin Cash for 5 hours, 6 hours. You're gonna fall asleep. But let me just tell you this. If you want to participate in the best, the fastest, the most up-to-date crypto infrastructure that is also flexible, that is also expandable, that has all the name recognition, Bitcoin Cash is practically your only choice. And the built-in audience of Bitcoin Cash is so big. Think about this way. Before the split in 2017, everybody who is into BTC would already own Bitcoin Cash without knowing it, right? After split, by the way, splitting is normal. That's part of the rule in design of Bitcoin. And after split, every single person who was into BTC also automatically received his BCH split coin. Just like I received automatically my split coin in BSV and BCH ABC. It's the design of the network. This is organic design. This network's designed to have the ability to evolve, to adapt, so that no one can kill it. So BTC has been taken over, basically, by the hoarders. It's okay. I don't blame you guys. I mean, that's a lot of money there. I understand why you guys doing what you guys doing. Go ahead and do more laser eyes, more focus, maximalist things. I don't care. All I know is you guys are doing great work and advertising crypto to everyone, and that get people into the crypto space. And then once people enter the crypto space, they are gonna look around and see, hey, is this thing's cool? Can I get more for less? Can I get more crypto for less money? And look around. Bitcoin Cash is currently worth 2%, 3% of BTC. Think about the implication if only 1% of people in BTC switch over to BCH. What kind of impact that one will have? And now remember, every single BTC owner from the beginning of time has had his access to BCH. A lot of people dishing on BCH, but secretly they held on to the coin. You know why? Because there's no cost to them. Their cost is zero. All right? Would you sell a coin that's currently going up like crazy and your cost base is zero? You got no downside risk. Why would you sell it? It makes no sense. Yeah, just like I would never sell my BSV until that thing goes into, I don't know, $1 trillion as well. That is entirely possible BSV goes to $1 trillion. Different story, but different matter. Not focusing on that. I'm just saying, the cost to me, the BSV is zero. My cost in BCH ABC is 0. Do you think a $50 BCH ABC is going to entice me to sell the coin? No, I don't even check the price. I don't even care. I just let you guys do whatever you want. So think about this way. The same thing is happening from a BTC perspective. Okay? So if you have BTC since 2011 and you saw people split the coin into BCH as well, you might not like it or you might love it. I don't care. But one thing I know what you did hold on to it. Why did you hold on to it? Because it costs you nothing. You know why I know? Look, who owns the most Bitcoin in the world? Do you know? Satoshi Nakamoto. That's the guy who owns the most Bitcoin in the world. He has what? 1 million Bitcoin? Do you know how many Bitcoin Cash does he have? Yeah, 1 million. Same. How many BSV does he have? 1 million. Yes. How many BCH ABC do he has? 1 million. And few other split coins. That guy have access to every single coin that ever split off from BTC. What did he do with it? What has Satoshi Nakamoto done with his coin? He's hodling it. He's holding onto it. And just in case Craig Wright is Satoshi. Hi Craig, thank you very much for everything you have done for us. I still enjoy the conference, I have to say that. Loved it. And unfortunately, I can't travel, so I cannot see you in person. But if I'm in London again, I'm more than happy to drop in. Want to say thank you personally again and drop off another bottle of whiskey for you. Okay? Yeah, just side notes. I love all those coins. I love the ecosystem because in crypto you have the freedom to do whatever you want. This is not a religion. Come on, people. This is money. It's a healthy competition. There's US dollar, there's euro, there's yen out there. They're not hating each other. Why do you have to hate each other, people? Why don't we just all unite and make things great for everybody? I don't care which crypto you buy, honestly. I tell you buy BCH because that's the most fun coin to use and the easiest one to use. And you can buy a car when the price goes up like I did today. And but you don't need to hate each other, people. So I hope those people who are in from different crypto camps watching this video, please drop the hate. Come on, guys. We all love each other, right? I mean, I don't have any BTC anymore. I sold my BTC because I need money, okay? I need money for different things in life, and I need to be selective. If I don't need any money, I might have held on to my BTC, but I paid money for my BTC. So I have to make a reasonable decision. Also, the price went up, so good enough for me. My 1000x is in BCH, and I have done 10x so far. There's still 100x to go. So anyone who's joining me right now into BCH, don't forget, even you think price is high because you're looking at from 2 years or 3 years perspective, look at it from the very beginning, all right? Look from the very beginning. Where was BCH a few years ago? $4,000. $4,000. You're buying at 75% off. 75% off. Is Ethereum 75% off all-time high? No. Is Litecoin 75% off? No. BTC 75% off high? No, of course not. BCH is. Go for it. Yeah, value for money, man. And I need to stop here, otherwise I'll get a ticket probably for making video and driving at the same time. Probably not allowed. Okay, all right. I'll make the next part soon when I arrive in Brisbane and at a different dealership. Bye.